Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a slip knot. For making a slip knot, you need to take a yarn and lay the yarn out horizontally on a table with the yarn tail on the right side. Next, you need to cross the yarn tail over the working yarn as shown in the video. Next, pick the right side of the loop and flip it over the crossing point. The working arc should be behind the middle of the loop. Now, you need to pick up the working yarn in the middle of the loop with your right hand and pull on the yarn tail with your left hand until the slip knot forms. Next, you need to put the loop on the hook with the knot to the left of the hook. Pull on the working yarn to make the loop smaller. This forms a slip knot. Let's move to method 2 of making a slip knot. You need to take the yarn and wrap it around the two fingers of your right hand in a cross manner